Hi there everyone, your Power Al here with another vlog. So this package arrived today, and I'm pretty excited to open it. I ordered this past Sunday, I believe. So yeah, geez, this is pretty taped up. There we go. Okay, so inside the package is this. The mechanical keyboard. This is my first mechanical keyboard that I have ever owned. This is the Keychron V5 Ultra 8K. Don't know what any of those numbers mean. A 96% wireless mechanical keyboard. So I've had this, I guess, obsession with mechanical keyboards lately. I've been watching a lot of videos on people just typing with mechanical keyboards, and it's been really soothing. And the reason why I've been on this kick for of wanting a mechanical keyboard is because in a way, I guess I can kind of blame Fangamer for this, because a while back, earlier this year, they revealed their custom keycaps that are Celeste themed. And that's also what got me back into playing Celeste after just thinking about it for a while. But those keycaps are currently sold out. I'm waiting for a restock. And in the meantime, I was like, you know what? Mechanical keyboard seems nice. And I figured this would be a nice little entry one. For the record, the current keyboard that I use with my computer is this just cheap, dirty, basic Logitech wireless keyboard. And it's fine. I've had this one for years, but I don't know. I feel like it'd be nice to move up to a mechanical keyboard now. And okay, so the 80 or the 8K is the it's 8K hertz polling rate. But yeah, I wanted a keyboard that was basically the size. I like the idea of having a number pad, but a full-size keyboard has extra buttons between this area, and not really into that. I like the keyboard that I currently have, and I feel like that is a pretty nice one. But yeah, whenever the Celeste keycaps restock, I'm gonna probably replace all the keycaps on this keyboard with that. But yeah, let me struggle with opening this box up. Yeah. Aside from watching videos of people typing on keyboards, I haven't done a lot of research on mechanical keyboards, so there's a lot of things that I just am not familiar with. Let's see. Quick start guide. This is all stuff I'm just going to, I guess, look at later. Let's see. User manual, which is nice. Then I see the USB cable for it, and some tools and maybe extra things. What's this? I think this is supposed to pull out the various keycaps when you're looking to replace them. Extra screws. And a little screwdriver, which is neat because I don't have any of that stuff. USB adapter, USB to USB-C, always nice. And then I guess all that's left is the keyboard itself. And I've never had a keyboard like this, so this is all very new to me. I don't know what this switch is for, but that sound is so satisfying. And I was thinking about this a couple days ago, but there is a video I could do where I make use of this keyboard. It might be just a very fun idea to do at some point in the future. But yeah, very, very neat. So I'll be honest, I want to set it up, but I'm also very tired. I just I was watching Rob stream earlier. He's streaming with some other people. They're doing like some kind of Mario Party tournament, and I was in chat for a little bit. But I was like, I can't stay awake that much longer. I need to nap because I've been up since like 6:30. So a nap seems like a good idea. So I'll set all this stuff aside, set it up when I wake up, and then I guess I'll talk about it after. Okay, so I woke up from my nap, set up the keyboard. It works just fine. Very satisfying to type on this. And as you can see, just changed that. Yeah, it works. Had to do a little bit of a firmware update for the USB dongle for this, but yeah. This knob, I didn't know what to do with it, so I just mapped it to be the same as the scroll wheel on my mouse. And the reason why I did that is because that is for zooming or scrolling through the timeline when editing in Premiere. I might change that some other time, but so far, it's been really nice just typing on this. Very satisfying clicky noise. And at this point now, all I'm waiting for is for the Fangamer Celeste keycaps to be restocked, because really, really wanna like deck out this keyboard with those. But yeah, so far I'm satisfied with this purchase. Gonna have to do like some more messing around and like read the user manual for this just to see if there's like anything else I'm missing, or like anything else I could like potentially do with this keyboard, or like what people like map some of these buttons to, or like map this to, just so I can have some ideas. But yeah. Anyways, that's really going to be it for this vlog. For my first mechanical keyboard, coffee. But yeah, for my first mechanical keyboard, I'm really satisfied with it. I'm going to make this thing last as long as I can, basically. And from what I've seen, like in terms of reviews of people like reviewing Keychron keyboards, a lot of them are generally satisfied with what they get. And again, I can't wait to redecorate this with the Celeste keycaps, because gosh, they looked so cool. Yeah, if you want to talk about mechanical keyboards or anything else like that, I know like there's this whole like community of people just going all out with mechanical keyboards, just finding like really good keycaps or key switches or whatever they're called, and even like getting the keyboard like lubricated just like to their exact liking. I'm not sure I'm gonna like delve that deep into this, but yeah. Other than that, again, I have a video idea in mind that involves a lot of typing with a mechanical keyboard, or just a lot of typing in general. And that might be something fun to do, but yeah, and other than that, I'm just gonna, again, end off this vlog, because that's really all I want to talk about. Also, for keyboards, I have this thing. This is a wireless keyboard that I connect to my phone, just because I got this a while ago, but there's this idea in my head of just going out somewhere and working on scripts for videos and using this wireless keyboard. Yeah, I've had this weird obsession with keyboards lately, but oh well. Anyways, I'm just gonna end off here, so thank you all so much for watching, and see you all next time for another vlog. Later.